I literally only ordered a moisturizer from Aloe. So why would they send me a huge... Aloe, what did you give me? Because I swear I only bought like a $50 jar of moisturizer that I liked from... I want to say it was BoxyCharm. Somebody? I don't know. Many months ago, to the point where I didn't use it enough, but it was expired probably, and I was like, let me just buy another one. So I did, but they sent me a huge ass box. Why? I don't know. How much is that kitty in the window? Hey, bumper. I don't want you to see my address, but I only ordered a moisturizer. Only ordered a moisturizer. Why did I get this huge box? Because I know I'm not getting PR. Probably not. What else did I get? Oh, my Ulta Beauty. Oh, nice. I ordered some stuff from Ulta. You know, that place called Ultra. This package. Box from Aloe. What did I order? The box is huge. And it feels really light. Unless they're like me and they overpackage box stuff. This is funny. Would send me a huge box for just one little moisturizer. I think it's funny. Hi, it's me. Oh god, my hair is a freaking mess. It is Hot Mess. It is Hot Mess Wednesday. God, it really is hot in here. Alright, I'm in my office. And I'm about to show you this enormous box that came to my door yesterday. And the funny story is, I ordered a moisturizer from a brand called Aloe. It reminds me of my cats. I go, Aloe? Alright, it's called Aloe. And I think it was something I was introduced to through BoxyCharm last year. I got this moisturizer in one of my boxes that I want to say from BoxyCharm. And I liked it. Oh, freaking hot. I liked it, and I realized that my jar of moisturizer was probably expired, and I need moisturizer badly lately, so I'm gonna turn the air down one sec. I realized that the moisturizer was probably expired. And being how sensitive my skin's been lately and all the issues I've been having, I'm like, let me get something brand new. And I remembered that it was pretty good on my skin, so I'm like, let me get a new one. So I literally ordered this one jar of moisturizer. One jar that's probably about this big. Like, I'll show you. I'm not going to use it right now, but I'll show you what it looks like. The packaging. Alright, I covered my address with these Post-its, which are not on the right way. Hold on, let me fix them, and then I'll show you. I tried covering my address with Post-its so that you don't see my address, you know, for privacy reasons. So this looks a little stupid. But this is the box that was outside my door from Aloe. And I'm like, geez, you guys are like as bad as I am, because I would mail a huge box. I probably have and would mail people a small item that I consider fragile in a huge box covered in lots and lots of something, like paper or bubble wrap or both. And this box is huge. And I lifted it and I'm like, this is very light, so I'm going to assume it's just my moisturizer, because why on earth would Aloe Yoga give me a PR box? I wish somebody would. I wish Aloe would and could, but I really don't think this is it. I think this is literally just the moisturizer that I ordered, and we were about to find out together. I just cut it so I can get it open with you, but I didn't look at it yet. So yeah. Do they just have one size box maybe? Is that what this is? Because it's not even like wrapped in a gazillion pieces of paper or bubble wrap. It's literally the moisturizer wrapped in paper. And my invoice receipt, which I don't want you to see because it has my address on it. But it says final sale, this item cannot be returned. Well, I sure hope it's good as the one as I got from, I want to say, BoxyCharm. So yeah, it was probably about $50. I can't remember the exact price, but I can always add the link with the price in this video once it's up. We're located in Maryland, and it says aloe. Aloe. Whoa, see, it's so big. That's what she said. I'm kidding. aloeyoga.com at Aloe Yoga. I should tag them on the gram. Aloe. All right, so I'm gonna show you this. Comes in this nice white box. Nice white box. Aloe Glow System. I don't know what this is. Amla Powered Clean Beauty Luminizing Face Moisturizer. Amla, Aloe, and Botanicals Radiance Treatment. Illuminates, softens, and nourishes all skin types. So I'm hoping this is still good on my skin. I mean, when I say good, I mean it doesn't bother me. Because I don't know what, something's wrong with me. It says made clean in California. What you put on your body matters as much as what you put in your body. No parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, no animal products, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no artificial colors or dyes, no synthetic fragrance, no aluminum, no PEGs. Don't know what those are, but we don't need them. No silicones, no propylene glycol, and it's vegan and cruelty free. We like that. This ultra effective, rich yet lightweight moisturizer nourishes and fights environmental stress for a luminous all-day glow. Vitamin C rich amla. I have no idea what she is. Nature's most powerful antioxidant, superberry. Okay. Used in Ayurvedic healing for millennia, what's a millennia? I don't know. Paired with aloe, avocado oil, marula oil, and other plant-based super ingredients, brighten skin's appearance. Apply to clean, dry skin. AM, PM, and post-OM. What is post-OM? Meditating? I don't know. And it's good for a year. And it says to recycle. Warning, avoid contact with eyes for external use only. Got it. And there's a lot of other cool information on the side. 75 times more than goji berries, 60 times more than pomegranates, 50 times more than blueberries, the vitamin C amount in there. That's good to know. And I'm going to put it back on my shelf. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This little box came in that. And there's a white jar inside with the moisturizer in it. And there's a lot of different good stuff on the back. There's apricot in it, which I love. Sweet almond, which I love. And some other stuff. Rapeseed oil, sesame seed oil. And some other stuff that looks like chemicals. But yeah, that is the Aloe Glow System Luminizing Face Moisturizer. And it literally came in this enormous box. Thank you, Aloe. If you want to send me PR, you know my address. Thanks again, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye. We could be friends, you know. Maybe not. But yeah. See you later. Bye.